What's going on, skiers and riders? It's Cassie here with your Saturday, November 24th Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update. Come break out the new gear from Black Friday and shred your style. Enjoy the snow under the sun with partly cloudy skies and temps in the high 30s. There is predicted rain in the evening forecast, so get your runs in while the sun is still shining. With our continuous snowmaking, thanks to our team, adding 8 inches all around the mountain, we are able to open 9 trails, including Upper and Lower Conifer Connection, 10th Mountain, Look Mom, Indian Summer, Sundowner, Ollie's Area, Challenger with some park features, and a delayed opening on Ralph's Run, operated by 4 lifts. We have base steps of over 20 inches and still counting, on machine-groomed and packed powdered snow. Snag some deals on apparel, lift tickets, and more until tomorrow the 25th, in-store and online. Go to Wachusett.com for more details. And that's all for now. Thanks for tuning in. Go check us out on all our social media, and I will ski you on the slopes.